Welcome to video class. This is K. Damodar Reddy, working in Government Degree College for Women Vanaparthi. We are going to discuss continuation of previous class, carboxylic acids and derivatives. So, how to prepare the carboxylic acids? Today class is preparation of carboxylic acids. So, first reaction is oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohols undergoing oxidation reaction gives aldehydes. Aldehydes further oxidation reaction gives carboxylic acids. So you can prepare carboxylic acid from primary alcohol. So primary alcohol undergoing oxidation in the presence of oxidizing agent like KMnO4. So gives aldehydes, whereas aldehydes further oxidation gives carboxylic acids. For example, you can take the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde further oxidation gives acetic acid. So you can take the primary propyl alcohol. Primary propyl alcohol oxidation gives propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde on oxidation gives propanoic acid. So oxidation of aromatic side chains. So arenes undergoing oxidation reaction gives benzoic acid. Arenes nothing but aliphatic alkyl groups attached in aromatic nucleus. Example is toluene. This is also methyl benzene. Undergoing oxidation reaction gives benzoic acid. You can take the ethyl benzene, oxidation benzoic acid. Propyl benzene, oxidation gives benzoic acid. So you can take the ethyl benzene, methyl benzene, ethyl benzene, propyl benzene, N-propyl benzene. These are all gives only benzoic acid. So the reaction involves attack of the oxidant at a CH bond adjacent to the benzene ring. That means benzylic hydrogen having arenes are undergoing oxidation reaction gives benzoic acid only. Longer side chains are also oxidized to a carboxyl group. Longer side chains are also oxidized to a carboxyl group. That's why you can take the N-propyl benzene. It is oxidation gives benzoic acid. So this is the tertiary butyl benzene. In tertiary butyl benzene, no benzylic hydrogen. That's why this is not give oxidation reaction to benzoic acid. So in this no benzylic hydrogen, the aromatic nucleus undergoing oxidation, very severe reaction conditions only. So that's why you can get the benzoic acid from arenes. The arenes must have benzylic hydrogen. So we can take the paraxylene. So two methyl groups attached para position, 1,4 position. So that's why paraxylene undergoing oxidation, you can get the terephthalic acid. So two side chains are present on benzene, right? Those side chains undergoing oxidation converted into COOH groups. That's why paraxylene undergoing oxidation reaction takes place. Terephthalic acid is formed. Whereas you can take the orthoxylene, two side chains present at 1,2 position, ortho positions, two methyl groups of side chain present at 1,2 position. The name of this compound is orthoxylene or 1,2 dimethylbenzene. It is undergoing oxidation, gives phthalic acid. So two side chains converted into two COOH groups. So this reaction useful as you can find out where the position of side chains on benzene nucleus. Once again, this reaction useful as you can find out where the position of side chain in benzene nucleus. So side chain present on benzene nucleus, thus that side chain undergoing oxidation converted into carboxylic group. So that's why in the oxidation reaction of paraxylene gives terephthalic acid, orthoxylene phthalic acid is formed. So the reaction condition is benzylic hydrogen having off side chain of arenes undergoing oxidation gives only benzoic acid. This is the oxidation of aromatic side chain to prepare carboxylic acid. So another preparation method is reaction of Grignard reagents with the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide reacts with the Grignard reagent RMGX. Alkyl magnesium halides are called as the Grignard reagent. Undergoing nucleophilic addition, intermediate product is formed. This is further acid hydrolysis reaction takes place, gives us carboxylic acids. So carbon dioxide molecule addition with the Grignard reagent for nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. intermediate is formed, that is undergoing hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acids. So that's why carboxylic acids can prepare reaction of carbon dioxide with Grignard reagent. So we can take the methyl magnesium bromide. So alkyl group is, you can take the methyl. So we can get the ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. You can take the ethyl magnesium halide. So R is ethyl group. You can get the propanoic acid. So that's why one more carbon atom than the alkyl or aryl halide from which the Grignard reagent is prepared. So the reaction provides a increase the length of carbon chain, length of a carbon chain. So that's why you can take the methyl magnesium halide, you can get the acetic acid, ethanoic acid, whereas the ethyl group, propanoic acid, like that. So this is important reaction. You can prepare the carboxylic acids from Grignard reagent reaction with carbon dioxide. The type of reaction is nucleophilic addition. So Grignard reagent addition with carbon dioxide, the addition reaction is nucleophilic addition. So now preparation of carboxylic acids from cyanides or nitriles. So hydrolysis of cyanides in acidic medium or basic medium, you can get the carboxylic acids. In cyanides, the carbon nitrogen triple bond is present. These cyanides hydrolyzed to a carboxyl group, the reaction requires either acid or base. You can get the carboxylic acids. See here, RC triple bond N, cyanide or nitrile. This is a hydrolysis reaction in the presence of acidic medium. You can get the acid as well as ammonium ion Cl minus. So in acidic medium, cyanides gives carboxylic acids and ammonium ion. Whereas in the case of basic media, cyanides hydrolyzed in basic medium primarily get carboxylate salt. Further protonation takes place, gives carboxylic acids. In this, ammonia eliminated. So you can take the methyl cyanide. So R is CH3. Methyl cyanide hydrolysis reaction, you can get the acetic acid, ethanoic acid. So that's why you You can prepare the carboxylic acids from cyanides or nitriles hydrolysis reaction. You can take the next example. So propane nitrile, you can get the propanoic acid. Propane nitrile means or is C2H5 group. So the name is ethyl cyanide or propane nitrile. It is hydrolysis reaction takes place in acidic media or basic media. Final product is propanoic acid. So you can take the C2H5 group. The cyanide is ethyl cyanide or propane nitrile. This is hydrolyzed in the presence of acidic or basic media. Final product is propanoic acid or is C2H5. That means total 3 carbons. 3 carbons acid name is propanoic acid. So next, you can prepare the carboxylic acids from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides reaction with sodium cyanide. Reaction with the sodium cyanide, alkyl cyanides are formed. These alkyl cyanides undergoing hydrolysis reaction takes place. You can get the carboxylic acids. So cyanides to carboxylic acids, previous reaction discussed how to carboxylic acids converted into cyanides. Cyanides converted into carboxylic acid. Main reaction is hydrolysis reaction. So that's why alkyl halides gives us carboxylic acid. The reaction with the sodium cyanide followed by hydrolysis reaction. So you can prepare all carboxylic acid from alkyl halides. You can take the ethyl bromide, ethyl cyanide. Reaction with the sodium cyanide, you can get the ethyl cyanide. This is hydrolysis in the presence of acidic media. You can get the acetic acid. Where in the case of propyl bromide or 1-bromopropane, so butane nitrile is formed. Reaction with the sodium cyanide. This is hydrolyzed or hydrolysis reaction takes place in the presence of acidic media. You can get the butanoic acid. So here problem is there. Write equations for synthesizing phenylacetic acid. Phenylacetic acid from benzyl bromide. So how to, you can take the benzyl bromide. So benzyl bromide reacts with the sodium cyanide. So you can get the benzyl cyanide. This benzyl cyanide undergoing hydrolysis reaction takes place in acidic media. You can get the phenyl acetic acid. So this is the phenyl acetic acid. So here you can take the benzyl bromide, reaction with the sodium cyanide. Benzyl cyanide is formed. This benzyl cyanide undergoing hydrolysis reaction in the presence of acidic media or basic media, you can get the phenyl acetic acid. So important reaction. How to prepare benzoic acid from benzotrichloride? So now first, how to prepare benzotrichloride from toluene? How to benzotrichloride prepare to toluene? Toluene reacts with Cl2 in the presence of HNO. You can get the benzotrichloride. This is the free radical substitution reaction. So hallucination reaction, that means chlorination reaction, takes place at side chain only. That's why 3 chlorine radicals substituted 3 hydrogen radicals. That's why this is the radical substitution reaction. So toluene reacts with 3 moles of Cl2. You can get the benzotrichloride. This benzotrichloride converted into benzoic acid in hydrolysis reaction in the presence of calcium hydroxide. So you can prepare the benzoic acid from benzotrichloride. For the hydrolysis reaction in the presence of calcium hydroxide. So how to prepare benzoic acid from Kolbe reaction? You can take the phenol. Phenol reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of alkali. Sodium salt of salicylic acid is formed. This is acidified with H2SO4. Salicylic acid is formed, orthosalicylic acid. In this reaction, dichlorocarbon is the carbon dioxide is the electrophile. So this is orthosalicylic acid. So phenol reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of alkali. Sodium salicylate is formed. This is undergoing acidified with sulfuric acid. Orthosalicylic acid is formed. So these are the preparation of carboxylic acids. So first reaction is oxidation reaction. Oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes undergoing oxidation gives carboxylic acids. Oxidation of aromatic side chains also gives us carboxylic acids. In this, benzylic hydrogen of alkyl group present on benzene nucleus, those compounds undergoing oxidation gives us benzoic acid only. Longer side chains are also oxidized to a carboxyl group. That's why you can take the ethyl benzene, methyl benzene, ethyl benzene, propyl benzene. You can get the only benzoic acid. Whereas tertiary butyl benzene on oxidation not gives us benzoic acid. So that's why in tertiary butyl benzene no benzylic hydrogen. That's why this is not undergoing oxidation, not gives benzoic acid. For this type of reactions, undergoing severe reaction conditions only, in oxidation, benzene nucleus undergoing oxidation converted into carboxylic acid group. This is special condition only. So whereas by paraxylene you can get the terephthalic acid, orthoxylene phthalic acid. Another preparation method is reaction with the Grignard reagents. So Grignard reagent addition with the carbon dioxide followed by hydrolysis reaction, you can get the carboxylic acids. Next preparation method, hydrolysis of cyanides. So cyanides, another name is nitriles. These are compounds hydrolyzed in the presence of basic media or acidic media. Final product is carboxylic acids. So you can prepare the carboxylic acids from cyanides or nitriles also. So we can prepare the carboxylic acids from alkyl halides also. So alkyl halides reacts with the sodium cyanide. You can get the cyanide, alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides undergoing hydrolysis reaction takes place. You can get the carboxylic acids. So you can prepare the benzoic acid from benzotrichloride. So benzotrichloride is prepared from toluene. So toluene reacts with the chlorination reaction in the presence of HNO. So or delta, you can get the benzotrichloride. In this, chlorine substituted by hydrogens. This is a radical substitution reaction. That's why radical substitution reaction takes place to give toluene to give benzotrichloride. So benzotrichloride undergoing hydrolysis reaction in the presence of calcium hydroxide, you can get the benzoic acid. So that's why benzoic acid, this is aromatic carboxylic acid prepared from benzotrichloride for hydrolysis reaction. So another preparation of benzoic acid from Kolbe reaction, phenol reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of alkali. You can get the sodium salicylate. This is the salt of orthosalicylic acid. This is acidified in the presence of H2SO4. So orthosalicylic acid is formed. This is orthohydroxy. Orthohydroxy, second position having OH group, ortho position having OH group. That's why orthosalicylic acid. These are the preparations of carboxylic acids. So